Welcome back to the Trying Dutchman barn door adjustments.
I think I'm getting close to get one of these machines. Even Tammy wants inside. And she's painting the COVID or the tick or the spider, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. Handy machine. Hey. You want this one or a blue one, Annie? Another project I can do while I still have to lift is the doors, especially the south door was getting heavier and heavier to open. Now apparently there's some adjustment nut screw things there. So let's go and have a look. I'm not sure. I don't know what size it is. Those are adjustment things. Let's go for it. Nice. Handy thing. I need one of these. Oh, there it is. Yeah, still got some adjustments left. Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah, there's still plenty. And guess what? I had an old tool. Maybe that's what it is for. For the square one. Oh yeah. Well, I need both hands to do this. I'll let you know how it ended. Such a handy thing. Like now, look, one hand. Woohoo! Yeah, it worked out good. So those two adjustment thingies, I think I've reached the max. So next time I will have to cut something off the bottom. But no, this time it did the trick. Yeah, perfect. Alrighty.
Well, thanks for watching. Lesson learned today. Those cool spanners that I have in borderline welding that I turn into dragons can also come in handy for square nuts. And yes, I do need one of those high lifts. Thanks for watching.
Way back a year ago,